Hello, Catherine here from mandalameadow.com. I was recently asked in one of my art classes about how to use Arteza Real brush pens, both with and without water. So here are a couple of tips. I love using these watercolour pens to add colour to my artwork. Using them without water produces a lovely strong colour, but I do find I need to go over them a couple of times just to get a good even coverage. When using them with water, you can produce paler washes that gradually get darker as you paint. Just dip the tip of the brush pen into the water very briefly. You want to be careful not to add too much water. I'd highly recommend experimenting a little bit on some scrap paper before you actually use it on your artwork. You'll find more tips and free tutorials on my blog mandalameadow.com. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.